I'm not a coward, Ricky. What the heck? No, I literally got you.
Yeah.
Ugly, ugly chop, ugly chop.
Oh, look who lost. Oh. Go,
Be quiet, Emma.
Little girl can't be German boy over
Emma, be
fat
quiet.
schnitzels.
Don't say nothing else.
Little German boy.
At least my outfit's nice.
Man, you think I care about that?
At least I'm not a maid with dookie on my butt. Look at your butt.
My butt got dookie?
Yeah.
Oh no. I got boo-boo stains.
It's your PlayStation.
You and your big ears.
Don't talk about my ears.
Yeah, I look so odd. I like it.
Hey, baila, baila.